Did you just buy the AI trigger bot from FasterPeak, but you don't know how to use it or set it up? Don't worry, I'll show you. So, first, go to the links that I sent you in the ticket or in private. So there are two links. Download the first one. Normally it's called underscore internal or something like that from Mediafire. So download that. Go on the website, click download, save it somewhere, and then you have an other file called AI Trigger Bot. So download that one as well. If you're on AMD, normally the internal file has an AMD at the end. So if you have an AMD graphics card, download that one. But if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, download the regular one. If it takes a lot of time, it's normal, don't worry. It's because the internal file takes up 4 gigabytes, which is suspiciously a lot, but don't worry, it's because it's an AI trigger bot, so it needs to download all the AI models and stuff. Okay, so once you downloaded both files, make sure you have a WinRAR or you know how to extract the zip files. So you want to open the first one, the AI triggerbot.zip, and then you want to slide it over here where you have internal also. So as you can see here, the password is fasterpeak01, so you copy, extract this one, input the password, okay. So now your files should look like this, so you can delete this one, and now it should look like this. You have internal.zip, make sure it's not unzip, and you have AI tool. So like I said, if you have AMD, normally it should say like this, internal AMD, so don't worry, leave it like that, don't rename it. Okay, so now open the AI tool. Okay, so now you should open this. If it doesn't, if it says some error or something, tell me, I'll help you. So now in the ticket or in private, I should have sent you a license. So now input your license that I sent you. Okay, and now if you're an AMD, like I said, click OK AMD. And if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, click OK. Now it should say downloading stuff. This might take a while, like 5 minutes or so, because it needs to extract this file. But don't worry, next time that you open the app, it won't take like 5 minutes to download all the stuff. It will be like 2 seconds, it's just the first time. Okay, so once it's finished, it should look like this. You have a window here, and here it says finish download. Okay, so now you can close this one, then reopen the app. If it doesn't say anything, just reopen the app, because there should be a menu. So just click OK again. Okay, nice. So now it says this. If it was just a blank box, just close and reopen the tool. So it should look like this. So now this is where you select the macro that you're gonna use for the trigger bot. So if you want to use something on your keyboard, click here and just select what you want to use. For example, if you want to use V, press V on your keyboard, and then it's gonna say selected key whatever you pressed. If you want to use something on your mouse, for example, click here and then select the mouse button. For example, this will use the front button on your mouse, the one on the sides. I personally use this because it's better, but you might have a build key, so choose whatever you want. Then when you selected what you want, press OK. Now you can close this window, and then you just have this. To keep the trigger bot available, make sure this is open. So now when you press your macro, it won't do anything, but it's because you haven't enabled it. So like it says here, trigger bot ready, press ins to toggle it on off, hold your macro to run it. Then it's gonna say capture is now on. So now when you will hold your macro, it might lag out a bit at the start. So now when you will hold your macro, it's gonna run the trigger bot. So let's try it out in game. Okay, so we're in game, so let's queue up a game. So like I said, make sure to keep this window open, and here it says capture is now on. Okay, so now once you're in game, you can test it. Just hold your macro and hover your cursor over an enemy. As you can see, it clicks automatically. Okay, so the trigger bot is ready. Now you can have fun with it, and you won't get banned because it uses AI.